Mike here with Cashback Realty, and I wanted to do a quick video of a property I just took a listing on, and let me just show you the outside of it there. It's that one right there, number 906. And usually I don't do these type of videos on all my listings, but it is, you know what? Let me just show you instead of telling you. Come on, let's take a look inside. All right, so we're going through the garage, guys, and this property is 1450 square foot. You see it has a one-car garage, which is unique in this Boyton Beach area. You don't see this a lot with these townhomes. And here's the entrance. We're gonna just go upstairs. I like the way this enters into the unit. Here's the laundry room. You come right in to the first bathroom here. And this is what I was talking about. This property is already demoed, right? So the owner already demoed the property. You can see the floors have already been lifted up. The baseboards, this is bedroom number 1. See the ceiling fans, because he was gonna do the renovation himself. There's the view of the lake right there from this front bedroom. But he decided to go ahead and just sell it as is, which is a great deal for someone who wants to invest in this property. So here we're going into what could be a den or an office. All right, it's got a double door. You see the other door right there. Or the second bedroom, right? And you see it's all nice and light and airy. You have the lake from this bedroom as well, right? So you see everything is already demoed. The floors have already been lifted up, right? So it's just waiting for a new owner to come and renovate it the way you choose. Here is the living room. So you've got a huge balcony out there, and this balcony actually looks out onto another lake. All right, so here's the balcony. This is about a 200 square foot balcony. It's a huge balcony, right? You can put furniture out there. You got ceiling fans in the living room also. Here's the dining room area. And for those of you who know or have done renovations before, you know that just demoing a property before you renovate it could end up costing you thousands of dollars. That's already been done, right? It's a blank canvas waiting for you to come in and put your own personal touch. Here's the kitchen. All right, you see everything is blank. There's nothing done, so you can come in and design and upgrade this kitchen, right? View from the kitchen, you got the lake back there, backyard area, right? There's the patio from this angle as well. Properties like this I get excited about. Why? Because you can come in and do what you want to it, right? You can put down the type of floors that you want. You can put whatever, fixtures you want, whatever cabinets you want in the bathroom, in the kitchen, etc. Right? So let's go take a look inside the master bedroom. All right, so here we have a huge master bedroom. Also looks out onto the patio, right? Got a walk-in closet back here. Right, all the floors, baseboards have been taken up once again. Blank canvas. Come in, put down whatever type of flooring you want, whatever type of design you want. This is the part that I like as well. How cool is this? That is a skylight, right? Nice double skylight there in the bathroom, right? The tub, the older tub that was there has already been lifted up. Right, you're gonna save a lot of money on the demo here because all the demo's already been done. So all you need to do is come in, put your fixtures. Oh, and the master bathroom is a shower and a bath, right? So you've got a separate shower there. There's the owner. Don't hide, Danny. Why are you hiding? And this is the main entrance, right? That we're going out here. So if you don't want to go through the garage, here's the front entrance to the property. Walk down the stairs and there is the front of your property. We're listing it for $319,900, $319,900. Like I said, this thing ARVs for somewhere around 370, 375 is the ARV, the after repair value. So you can come in, grab it for a lower price, do all your upgrades, whatever type of renovations you want to do to it to customize it and make it your own. All right, get in touch with me, guys. Talk to you soon.